we're back in SA. We're here for Locktober Fest this time, which is a big party event, kind of like their drift decks and reach-throughs if you're familiar with them, but it's a 3-day bash. So we were here yesterday, today's Saturday. I was actually volunteering yesterday, did some recoveries and pulled a few 31s out of ditches and stuff. It's going to be a pretty chill weekend. I'm not sure how much I'm going to film, but I'll try and get a little bit of content up for you guys. I'm going to be driving this weekend as well, but I did not bring my car down. Too broke for that. Luckily enough, I've been helped out by Chris from Shockworks, Dead Set Legend. He'll let me have a steer of his V35 Skyline, and of course I'll have to take Sean's S13 that's back here. Take that for a little bit of a rip later as well. And yeah, we'll just have some fun, drive a few cars, chill out, and enjoy watching everything. Should be fun. Awesome. So we're here with Chris, Shockworks. This man is a legend. He's the reason I'm out here and driving. So his V35 Skyline, absolute weapon of a car. And yeah, he's going out for the first session of Saturday to shred some laps.
Just get a feel for it to start. See how fast we can enter the first go. See if it catches. And go from there, pretty much.
Yeah, let's do it.
No pressure?
No pressure.
Mark's 180SX. It has got a fire-breathing B7 LS under the hood and dog box, you name it, it's got it. He was kind enough to give me a drive of the car after helping him align a car after a bent an arm last night. And yeah, what a ride. Cheers, Mark. First steer of Chris's V35, first drive of any V35 actually, and despite needing a little bit more power or maybe some diff gears to help her out, the chassis in these things is just phenomenal. I loved driving it, and for such a simple setup, they work so well. But that VQ definitely doesn't do your ears any good, so here's some music for you. The video definitely won't do it justice, but this D-bead snapped the car so hard. I had whiplash for a few days after this, and I have crashed cars into walls and not felt this bad. Beautiful. This is the state of Sean's front tyres. He'd been running like this all weekend, and somehow they had held up. The car still drove. But just as he was getting ready for the extreme entry comp, we decided to try and pump the front pressures up a little bit, and it literally popped the tyre as he was rolling out. Lucky it did it then and not on the straight, coming down there at 100 plus kilometers an hour. Yeah, it was about time they got changed.
Scotty will do good. Always.
Alrighty, if you watched my last SA video, you know the party starts when we get in this car. This is Brody Black's KE70 with a 1JZ shoved under it. And to say that it is absolute the definition of fun is still an understatement. God, I love this car. And you'll see why.
It's like somehow these things are happening and it still works. Yeah. I guess we didn't have much time.
This is after the bowl.
Oh no. No! Bob.
At the end of the day, we jumped in with Renee in her Safiro. She's got a two-way Acostal handbrake in it, which means when you push the handbrake forward, it operates the front. When you pull it back, it operates the rear. And I was really interested to see how that worked. And as you can see, I got a bit carried away and even helped her bump the front brakes here and there. But what a way to end the weekend. I hope you guys have enjoyed all this footage. It's taken me ages to get out. I've had a lot going on in my life, and I also had a computer that was really causing me a lot of problems. So I finally got a new setup and microphone, so hopefully you can hear me a bit clearer now than my recording off the phone. I've got heaps of videos backlogged now, so hopefully I'll start getting through those guys and smashing out some content for you. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you soon. You!
good.